Hello, welcome back to my channel. Well, I thought I'd start supper and I wanted y'all to be here and see what I'm fixing. It's just something different, a different idea that I do all the time, and I thought y'all might like it. I get pretzels. It doesn't matter which ones you want. I've already did this many. I just get pretzels. I put them in my blender and I turn them into a powder, and this is going to be so loud, so I'm going to go ahead and get this done and then I'll bring y'all back. Okay, I got all of these done and they're just ground into a powder. Doesn't matter what kind of pretzels you want to use, it's just whatever you like. Alright, I have some chicken legs here. I am going to roll this in the pretzels. Y'all, I don't put any seasoning on it. The pretzels have salt. They have all kinds of seasoning, and I just don't put any on it. If you want to, you can. And I always make more than what I need because I like to sprinkle some of this on top. Y'all, this makes the best. It is just so good. Alright, I've got one more. Alright, and then I'm just going to come back and I'm just going to put a little bit more. Now see, doesn't that look good? Now I'm going to bake that on 350 for about 45 minutes. Y'all, it will be so good. Our chicken is done, and I made me a sweet potato to go with it. And I hope y'all try this chicken recipe, and I hope you like it. Doesn't that look good? Ooh. Okay. And I was going to show y'all how I make my sweet potato. Oh, and when I told y'all I cooked this chicken on 350, I'm sorry, I cooked it on 400. Alright. I'm going to cut this sweet potato in half. You know, you got to have butter. I'm going to let that butter get in there and melt. I'm going to get me some cinnamon. I'm going to sprinkle me some cinnamon. It's just however much you want. Me, I just don't think you could go wrong with cinnamon if you like cinnamon. And then I have a good tablespoon of brown sugar. I want to put that on there. Let that kind of soak down in the butter. Okay. Ooh. Alright, I'm going to get this chicken right here. Now, doesn't that look good, chicken and a sweet potato? Alright. Let's get us a bite of this chicken. Y'all, you don't need any seasoning at all unless you just want to put it on there. That salt from the pretzels, it gives it a good seasoning. That sweet potato, if you like sweet potatoes, it is so good. I'm going to get me one more bite of this chicken. And I'm using legs. You can use the breast, the thigh, whatever you want to use. I don't know if y'all can see just how juicy that chicken is. Mm. I've always got my mouth full. Okay. Mm. Thank y'all for being on my channel. I thank y'all so much. I thank y'all for making pretzel baked chicken with me. And I cooked it on 400, let me tell you that again. And if you would, like and subscribe, and until the next video.